Sezzle, a buy now, pay later (BNPL) company, recently introduced new features like a price comparison tool and a digital wallet aimed at enhancing the user experience. Sezzle's business model has been successful, with a focus on the consumer rather than the merchant. The company has prioritized subscription programs, rewards, and new product features like auto-couponing, which automatically finds coupons for customers as they shop. This strategy has resonated with customers, resulting in a growth rate that has accelerated into the triple digits. In its first quarter, Sezzle reported revenue growth of 123% to $104.9 million, with gross merchandise volume, GMV, rising 64.1% to $808.7 million. The company's profit margins have also soared, with an operating margin of nearly 50%, showing that the business model is highly scalable. Sezzle has managed its credit risk successfully, cutting customers off from the product if they miss a payment. In the big picture, the BNPL market is massive, giving Sezzle plenty of runway to grow. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.